वाचून दाखयलो ताका न्हय. इट डज नॉट से सब्जेक्ट टू परमिशन ऑफ द स्पीकर. हां ड्राफ्ट खंयचो तो खंय तुमचो ड्राफ्ट हे ड्राफ्ट बरयला. दीस इज द आय वील शो यू द कवर. दीस इज द रिपोर्ट. ड्राफ्ट बरयला खंय बरयला. सो रिपोर्ट जर हांव करता जाल्यार प्रताप सिंग राणे कोण त्या रिपोर्टाचेर उलोवणारो. No, he has no right. Let you show me a single rule in the rule book where speaker can judge on the committee's report. His role is to ensure fixed time to present that report. Convenience.
The rule 26 says exclusion of dissent.
Oh, there is further. That means no dissent note can be accepted. If anyone wants to say something is in minority, it cannot be put on the draft report. See, draft report is prepared by the chairman with the help of the secretary. The secretary prepares it and gives it to the chairman for approval. That means chairman can improve upon it in the draft report. But once a draft report is prepared, anyone who wants to say something, he can add it up to the report only if he is in majority. So dissent is minority viewpoint, cannot be included in the report. Afraid तांचे सगळ्यांचे अजून पॅन्टी तपास कर. Obviously, I have no hesitation in saying that he is trying to protect someone, including government. वो देख लूँगा. I will go. See, because he is violating the rules, I don't intend to. कितें नाही हांव आसाल तें तुका सांगता न्ही. हांव पयलींच प्री मॅच्युअर कित्याक हें करूं. ना हाऊस इज सुप्रीम. स्पीकर इज नॉट सुप्रीम. In fact, by saying that comment outside, indirectly speaker is heading for a breach of privilege. He is committing breach of privilege by saying that it is a draft report. Who told you to comment on the report? Your job is not to go on the report. He should mention it inside. If not privilege, at least proprietarily he has done something wrong. That is not the way you do it. Because if speaker starts blocking reports like this, any inconvenient report to the government will start getting blocked. No? फाल्यां पळय MOI चेर म्हाका क्वेश्चन घालूंक दिवना हाणें. Because the question was awkward to the government, not because it is sub judice. Sub judice, let it be sub judice. I have no problem. Court has not given stay to discuss the issue in the House, including what is being discussed in the House. We are not supposed to comment on the. If I ask a question whether the court is wrong in giving decision, you don't say that. That reply you say that it is sub judice. That should be part of the reply, not speaker disallowing a question. This speaker has become so partisan that he accepted 2 resignations, but he has never given us what happened to the resignation of Victoria Fernandez. He never told us that. He was not present in the House for about 8-10 days. He disappeared. Do you remember in 2007? He disappeared when Victoria resigned. So at a convenient time, he accepts the resignation, and at a non-convenient time, he disappears from the scene. That is not role of speaker. He has not decided a single 10 schedule disqualification. Even that BSP speaker in UP decided 2 disqualifications against BSP recently. I have never been a speaker. Pratap Singh Rane in his full career as a speaker has not given single judgment on anti-defection, final judgment, whether it is in 2002 or whether it is in 2010. So that shows that he is basically partisan. He tries to protect or use that as a pressure. I have not said I am giving to the press. I will go to the press, I said. Not with the report, but I can always go to the press over a period of time with various documents I have. For example, जे भितरलो पळय ह्या रिपोर्टान तुमी कोट करता तुमचोच पळोवन हांव करता मजा करता. इज टुडे रिप्लाय इन द असेंब्ली ऑन 5th. यू हॅव नॉट सीन इट. हां हय ताणे 30 भितरल्यो हांवें कोटूय दिला तो टीव्हीक बेस्ड ऑन दॅट क्वेश्चन. 30 भितरले approvals पळय आहा condonation of delay has been given by Pratap Singh Rane and 10 by Digambar Kamath out of 40 approximately. There's a reply on 5th. 5 तारखेक reply आसा. So all this, if you go through माझे येते questions आहा पळय ते and star, you will get replies to everything what is being quoted as a part of the report. See, recommendations are now on record. They might have not been placed before the house. It is like कसली तलवार म्हणटा तुमी ती? हा? हा? टांगती तलवार ताका Damocles sword, it's hanging over the head of this corrupt government. Let it hang like that. Why should I...
पण स्पीकर आयतूच वदळ उलयतना मायनिंगेच्या संदर्भात व्हडलो स्टेटमेंट केलो त्यांनी गोंयची बदनामी जाता अशें जाता तशें जाता कित्याक हो रिपोर्ट तो एक्सेप्ट
गोंयची बदनामी जाता कारण गोंयचे पॉलिटिशियन ते अशे आयिल्ले ओपन रिपोर्ट थारोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता म्हणून बदनामी येता. I don't comment on another MLA simply because the PAC's role is not to... Some people ask me why people are not named, politicians are named by name. I was not supposed to do that job. I have gone through the mistakes of the department and irregularities which are happening.
Session is over. Big relief for you since the report did not get tabled.
There's no relief for me. It doesn't make any difference to me.
In what way, sir? Because if it would indict your government, that would be a problem.
I have not seen the reports. I will not make any comment.
But there are allegations. There's one particular reply to a question that came in the House in which out of 40 leases, at least 11, the delays were condoned during your time.
Condonation was done by following the legal procedure. I always made it a point. Condonation was going on right from beginning. And whatever was condoned was following the proper legal system.
Thank you. Come, tiकडून जाऊ, sir. Morning, sir.
No, I have not read it.
But sir,
How can I reject it without reading?
so also there is a story today in one of the papers talking about a lot of illegality happening in what was formerly your constituency and now your son's constituency.
I am not the mines minister neither. I am looking after everybody, policing everywhere.
What is in Goa and what is being done to protect?
See, one incident has happened just 4 years back. The locals have found dead remains of a tiger. From that day onwards, it is presumed by the NGOs or the wildlife enthusiasts saying that there are tigers. And I asked my department to carry out a study. They have also carried out study in coordination with the Wildlife Center at Dehradun. And we have found another proposal to the Forest Department, to the government of Goa by the former Minister J. Ram Ramesh to prepare a proposal based on there are requests from the NGOs from Goa. Under that circumstances, the government of Goa has decided to take all the stakeholders into consideration, including the elected representative, the village panchayat, and the people living in the habitat. So we have initiated a process of consulting them. But there are other laws like Forest Dwellers Act which take care of the dwellers. So that clashes with the proposal. So we will go back to the tribes staying there to find out what are their views. We will ask the village panchayat also to deliberate. So it may take a lot of time to prepare a proposal.
What is the kind of forest cover we have in Goa?
See, we have different type of forest covers. We have rich forest covers and we have forest covers in terms of percentage more than the requirement as per the national policy. And we are happy that we are sustaining this forest. In spite of lot of pressure from the mining or the development or the other developmental project.
But do you feel that, like you pointed out, there is a lot of pressure of mining, particularly Netravali also there were complaints that there was some mining happening in protected areas. What about those kind of complaints? Is that a challenge?
Yeah, very good question you have asked me. Even recently, the leader of opposition highlighted there are mining in sanctuaries area. Let me clarify with the responsibility of as a minister. There are no mining activities in the declared sanctuaries. Some mining leases which forms part of the sanctuaries, but we have stopped them as soon as the sanctuaries are declared. And no mining activities allowed. Moreover, we have demarcated, but only the process of surrendering that part by the leaseholder has to be completed.
There is one critic say, or rather it's an allegation, that Goa does not want to declare any tiger reserves or send a proposal for a tiger reserves because it will mean a direct conflict with the mining lobby.
See, we have never said that we are not interested to send a proposal, but it's a question of getting the data, getting people of Goa into confidence, to see whether there is a conflict between the different documentation also. There are regional plans. Goa has prepared a regional plan on which some places are shown as settlement. So there are a lot of issues to be taken into consideration, for which we require time.
Other than mining, any other pressures that you face in protected areas?
Protected are protected under the Act, and I have no fear of any development activities or any illegal activities encroaching in the protected area, because it is guarded by the officers in charge under the Forest Act. So there is no question of encroachment in forest protected area.
What about staff? Is there adequate staff, or do you need more staff to guard or man these areas, particularly protected areas or proposed protected areas?
See, we have required manpower to protect our forest, and we are in a process of recruiting more staff, field staff, particularly field staff. And we are also going to modernize our forest department with the modern equipments.
In what
and
way?
In what way? Like the walkie-talkies and the various latest technology available we will use for the protection of forest and conservation of wildlife in forest.
Alright. Has there been any conviction or any case under EP Act in Goa in the recent past?
Conviction on whom?
On the Environment Protection Act, have there been violations, and as a result of those violations have cases been filed, or has there been any case in the court that the Goa government has fought on behalf of environment?
See, if there is any violations, we have filed a lot of cases in the various court of laws.
Alright, thank you so much.